By the end of this video, you will know how to connect Zapier to Slack. Start by signing into your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click App Connections. This opens the area where Zapier stores the apps linked to your account. On that page, click the button labeled Create Connection to begin adding a new app. A search window will appear so you can choose the service you want to connect. Type Slack into the search field, then select Slack from the list of matching apps. After selecting it, click Continue to move to the sign-in screen. At this point, Zapier will ask you to sign into your Slack workspace if you are not already connected in the browser. If prompted, enter your Slack workspace URL. If you already see one of your workspaces listed, click Open next to the one you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct workspace before continuing, especially if you belong to more than one. Then complete the Slack sign-in process until Zapier brings you to the connection approval screen. After you sign in, a window called Connect to Zapier will appear. In this window, verify that the Slack account shown is the one you want to connect. Take a moment here to confirm you are using the right account and workspace. When everything looks correct, click Connect. Zapier will then show the permissions it is requesting from Slack. Review this screen carefully and confirm that the correct workspace is selected at the top. The permissions listed here explain what Zapier will be allowed to access in Slack as part of the connection. If the workspace shown is correct and you are ready to proceed, click Allow. Once you approve the request, Zapier needs a few moments to complete the authorization. During this part, the page may load briefly while the connection is established. Wait for that process to finish and then return to the App Connections page in Zapier. Back on the App Connections page, look through your connected apps and confirm that Slack now appears with a connected status. This status indicates that the authorization was accepted and the app link has been created inside your Zapier account. To make sure the connection is working properly, find your Slack connection and click Test Connection. Zapier will run a quick check to verify it can access your Slack workspace with the permissions you approved. If the test completes successfully, the connection is ready to use in your Zaps and other workflows inside Zapier. Your Slack workspace is now connected to Zapier and verified for use.